How to install Apollo Group TV in 2025, best method. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we're going to show you the best method to install Apollo Group TV in 2025. Whether you're using Android, Fire Stick, or other platforms, this method works for everyone. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your device. Before we install Apollo Group TV, ensure your device is connected to the internet and that you have enough storage space. 1. Android, go to the Settings app and enable Install from Unknown Sources in your security settings. 2. Fire Stick, navigate to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Step 2. Download the Apollo Group TV APK 1. Open your browser and go to the official Apollo Group TV website or search for the latest version of the APK. 2. Tap on the Download button to start the process. It will be downloaded in your Downloads folder. Step 3. Install the APK. Once the APK file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. 2. Tap on the APK file to start the installation. 3. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Step 4. Open Apollo Group TV. After installation, go back to your home screen and launch Apollo Group TV. You will be asked to log in with your account details. 1. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. 2. Once logged in, you'll have access to a wide variety of TV shows, live channels, and movies. Step 5. Start watching. Now you're ready to start streaming. Navigate through the interface and enjoy live TV, sports, news, and more from Apollo Group TV. Conclusion. Installing Apollo Group TV on your device is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Whether you're using Android or Fire Stick, just follow these simple steps and you'll be streaming in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful guides. See you in the next video.